Hi there, students. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on how to access the library catalog from your computer so you would know where to go. This is going to help you get any books or materials that you need for your research papers that you have to do. First of all, if you are at the Malcolm website, go ahead and click on the junior senior high school, drop down to library, select library again, and then from here, obviously you want to select the high school so you're not getting all the elementary books. To search our online catalog, click the word catalog and then type in the topic that you're looking for. Then just hit keyword and all the titles will populate and let you know if the book is available in the library for you or not. Another way to access different materials is to come to our home screen and use Nebraska Access. It's going to offer you the ability to get several different databases for free. If you come down to education, you can then use Explora Public. I really like Explora Public to use to research different topics. You can find several peer-reviewed articles there. From here, you can type in your topic, such as dreams, and it will search any academic articles there are. You can select the publication date, whether they're not their full text or peer-reviewed journals, and then you can limit the types of sources that you get. From here, you can just click different things and be able to locate information on here that you need, and it is still a print resource. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. I'd be glad to help you. Thanks.